is Cynthia, and I am a blogger slash full-time student. Black History Month to me is more about just celebrating Black beauty and Black people in general and the struggles we've gone through, but also embracing that it has made us stronger than who we are, and just in general celebrating the Black beauty around the world. I was born with really kinky curly hair, but at around age 7, my mom decided to relax my hair, and that happened for about the next 15 years. Having my hair relaxed was probably one of the worst times to go to the salon, because once they put the relaxer on, at some point it would begin burning your scalp. That's how they know when to wash it. And then once the natural hair movement sort of came around, it was much easier for me to accept my natural hair, and so I began transitioning. Some of the things I went through trying to get away from my relaxed hair was doing a lot of protective styles. For instance, just braids in general would take so long to do that sometimes you would just want to really go back to relaxing your hair and not thinking about how to protect your hair during that transition. So I celebrate me this month because I am beautiful and I'm embracing it for the first time in a long time, and I'm enjoying, being around people who are like me and learning from them and just knowing that I'm not alone in whatever I'm going through. I hope that others can also embrace this beauty that's being celebrated, especially today, and especially the young kids that are out there, just knowing that they're beautiful and accepting themselves for who they are, which is Black girl magic.